Here is the third video in our series for the second story open floor plan home. And in this video, we will be taking a look at the lower wall framing. You see the garage here with the headers. And take a look at the foundation here. If you haven't seen the other video, I will put a link here to the foundation video where you can get a good idea how the garage floor slopes towards the front. And remember, the stem walls, in case you were wondering, they need to be the same height, or at least a height where you can frame walls to create a framing plate line that would be the same size. Of course, that's if it would be needed for that particular plan. And in this case, it is required. The garage beam, I will not be able to provide you with any lumber sizes for this video series. That will be up to your engineer. View of it from above, the kitchen, closet, bathroom, stairwell, living area, dining room area. Another view of the stairwell. And the wall underneath the stairs. Backing for the drywall over here, and then backing over here for the drywall when we build our little wall because the stairs protrude into the garage. We have a 2x6 wall here. That is for the plumbing. I don't have any plumbing in the video yet, but 2x6 walls allow you to put a little bigger pipes in the walls. And of course, when it comes to cutting a notch for a 3.5-inch pipe and a 3.5-inch wall, it means you're going to have to cut the entire wall in half. Basically, you won't have to do that for 2x6. Definitely a good idea for framing walls where you're going to be putting 3.5-inch pipes in them to use a 2x6. 3 windows here. Of course, we have blocking in between the windows. Wait a minute, we're missing a block here. What the heck's up with that? And if you find any mistakes, feel free to list them in the comment area. Always, I don't mind them as long as they are constructive. Any of you who have left ridiculous comments in the past and wondering why they were removed, it's probably because they were ridiculous. So let's not get carried away. Keep our comments constructive. The pins, these are used to fasten the framing plates to the ground or to the foundation. Anchor bolts, of course, used again to fasten the exterior walls. And of course, here's a good example of the break in the framing plates and the anchor bolt on each side. Now, you can use anchor bolts all the way through the house. You can use them for all these interior walls. They usually don't, though, because it's a little difficult to get all of these bolts in and pour the slab at the same time and finish the concrete. So usually just do it on the exterior, or if it's required for shear walls, on the inside. Again, a couple windows. Here we have the blocks running all the way through. Another view of the corner. Framing plate breaks. Remember, 4 foot is the minimum for the in-between breaks. So here we have a break here. So we can't have a distance of less than 4 foot between the next break. Another view of the front door. Some more blocks here. And always remember to keep your blocks that are going to be near doors a little lower for your electrical outlet boxes. That's a biggie. I just came across a job that had the blocks higher, and of course I could see where the electrician simply knocked them out. So if you don't want them knocked out, make sure that you put them in the right place. So anyway, that is it for this video. Let me know what you think of it. And again, this will be a video series. Eventually, you will be able to get a link in the video description comment box. And I will have a link there to the website where I will have all of these videos in order. If you are watching these later on after the series has been created, you'll be able to get all of them at the website.